Morning. We're out here, day 2 continuation. And as we say, the curtain and my stuff not go up yet. We just have a drill right there, so. Have a drill right here. We're gonna drill in some holes and thing. Living room slowly come on. You know what I say? Put up the TV on the wall and them thing there. Mom start get the place for me. Cook last night, some curry. Cook last night some curry chicken foot. I brand the kitchen last night. Mommy had do it the second time. Mommy had to warm up. Where do you curry, Mom? Mommy said clean and make some tea for everybody. You know the vibe. What do you wash that? That work, man. NWC said them got you. You know, for yesterday now, you don't know. You know, being the cake December gone, I can show you that the plan and all over the Christmas we are hunt place to move to, so we never get to bake, you know. So we have the rum and the red label wine and the mixed fruits, and the show you what go on. So you don't know me, I bake the cake this weekend. Traveling all the way from Canada is the luscious fruits of 2 years soaking. See there? 2 years made of fruits and soak in Canada, and I'm going to take out some, you know. So we're going to bake the fruit cake in January. Wait, basically February we know, right? Yeah, February tomorrow. So we never get to bake the cake till February. And that. Yeah. So I bake the fruit cake them. You see it? And we have the thing them ready to tin them over here. So come on, the ramp in our kitchen, eh?
Yes.
Yeah. So that, man. So mommy there, I stack you up with some wine and stuff, eh? Yeah, man. Get some red wine you can drink when you're ready. You don't know, see, mommy have Jamaican art them up on her fridge. Nah, I left him to get that shit, man. Mommy have his grandson out them on her fridge, master. I'm put her, hold on there. Turn it around. Don't know jam time. And arts and craft, you know, come draw your grandmother for her summer gone.
Oh, you turn upside down?
Yeah. See, name the two, you know, by jam here, though. I'm put my son. Grandma, nah, that's showing grandboy sitting there. So, mommy put up things, speaking of which, I want to show the people them this. You see, your mommy keep jam your art on her fridge no matter where she go? Now, show you something. How part the bag, the mommy? Where the bag there? Oh, the bag here. Let's show you something. That video is totally random, see? Showing us that my mother and that showing nothing, you know. Them thing are from years ago. Years. Let me see if I go on this. Hold on, I'm showing you these people. So my mother not showing nothing here. As I say, I'll put up a curtain rod them pretty soon. Watch that. How far book this? This is a Tyrone book from Spalding High School. Now I go through the Tyrone book. I look for finished stuff. You see water with them, Storm? Oh, when Ivan come, mommy I say some we look out within them from primary school, you get washed up. But they're showing us something, so my mother and dash things. This is a alpha book. CXC, most likely I film this. Shanice Clark. Shanice Clark, so see your book there, so. You must lift you up a yard for an time. What is that? Caribbean Junior English. Who remember them book here? How far this here? You know how far this here? Dennis Cunningham, grade 3T. I don't know how far book this here. How far book? I ain't got school go take with. You know how far book? Must somebody give me them or sit and pass them down to me, you know? But yeah, this is what I want to show you. I don't see nothing from my primary. And probably I think some primary, you know. I'm thinking a thyroid thing, them. This hour. Oh, that's a singer. Oh, through thyroid are the most recent in the school, but I don't know if I have nothing for a high school, so this would have been mine. AMS. Called Mommy Proteki. So this is from Naga College. My travel package for a friend, you know? Okay, name, see it there? Course Intro to Hospitality Lecture, Miss White, the date 2009. I don't know your boy that. You see it? I did go the Appleton Rum Tour for the first time back in 2009. Yeah, man, I hit, man. See him there? What the end of this? Okay. So my project on the hack process, hazard analytical control, critical control point. I hope that mean, I remember. Hazard analytical critical control point. I believe that's what hack means. I'm not sure. It's been a while, people haven't been to school in years. Alright, so I'm to show you now one of my big projects. Tell us a mom not showing nothing, you know. This is what my scrapbook with pictures and notes for baking practical. So for all those who don't know, so this is the next one. For all those who don't know, I started out as a baker in college, but I couldn't get no work in the hotel as a baker, so I had to go in the kitchen, and that's how I started venturing more into cooking. But baking was my thing. I wanted to be a pastry chef. So let's open this and see what's inside here. I don't know, Mr. Morris, Knox Community College. And yes, looking back at this, I'm going to recreate these baking items, you know. My oatmeal raisin cookie. These are actually my pictures. I mean, make a scrapbook, I edited everything in Microsoft Word. Sugar cookie. Yeah, I say I can recreate some of this on the cooking channel. Leave a comment down below if I should. So butter cookie. Yeah. And that tropical fruit pie. You know what I say? With the lattice strip. Your boy made all of these back in 2012. Yeah man, lemon meringue. So for all those who out there doing the right thing, do the continue do it. If you not got art, if you not got food school, you know, anything I do, man, just continue to the thing. I wouldn't know something that I move from here to a more professional level, but all begins with stages and phases. Little burnt ends up on my pie a little bit, my apple pie, but you don't know. Then we have the sausage rolls. Yeah, and a flaky crust. We have over here so the plantain tart. Yeah, I'm going to drop a video on that. Yeah, man, man. You have the sponge cake, the Swiss roll. I have the pound cake, the chocolate and the vanilla. This is my bun up. This is my bun up, man. Banana bread or carrot and banana muffin. You get a nice caramelized, yeah, because it's so brown. You have the pound cake again. I decorate that with some orange slices and thing. You see it? Yeah, man. I have the cinnamon roll, the dinner roll, and the cinnamon roll. Yeah, I'm going to recreate a few of these recipes. Yeah, recreate these recipes from college. So tell me if you want to see that. We have a pizza. With sausage and thing, never on a pepperoni. You see me? Yeah, how that? Always then I'm a KFC apron. This is the researcher here, John Morris at school decorating a chocolate cake. You don't know the vibe, go. Picture a bad quality camera and my body turn to the light, but see a better view, yeah? This is the end result of the cake. Yeah, man, so we been a do it, you know. Yeah, man, we been a do it, man. What else are we so see cake, yeah? Hey! Happy birthday, this is my ex-girl. Have her name, I fear it's a fear belated, happy belated birthday, you don't know. And then the different piping techniques, you know? And that, I keep that folder there because I'm going to recreate some of them things on phone. You see it? Mad. We have this name tag from used to work at Sunset Jamaica Grand, now known as Moon Palace, Jamaica Garden, Ocherios. So yeah, it's from 2011. Yeah, man. And what else? My trophy. See if I find my trophy. I used to go to high school. Alright then. Trophy supposed to be somewhere about the place, I don't see it. So this are the name tag and this are my trophy from high school. Boy, I graduated with high honors, you know? Yeah. So it, man. It. You there under fan breeze or watch television or phone, because we don't get no internet television. Man, the only man me see put on sweater and a so that I've turned on fan, is it? So yeah, I'm the outer measure up some flour for my fruit cake. I didn't make any fruit cake December and it's almost February. I think tomorrow is February the 1st, so let me get my fruit cake made up and we clap back in. Alright, so we have all the stuff measured out for the cake. All of my vanilla, my brownie, my spices, my sugar, my wheat and the butter. And I'm also waiting on the egg. I have my red label wine and my white rum. I'm gonna fill up this now into a spray bottle. This I'm gonna use for spray the cake and keep them nice and moist. Just like so. So half and half. Yeah. Yep. Ooh. A little bit more white rum. Yeah. And don't mind the spray bottle. They have, this is the one that they use in the barber shop, but I already washed this one because it has like the comb and stuff on there. But this is the only one I could find. Wash it. Have all of the rum and the red label wine. Only thing missing is some fruit wine. I don't have that, but we'll just make use of what we have. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. Try and make a quick meal. Boom shakalaka. Beautiful. Boom shakalaka. Let's go.
The next morning.
Right now, we're gonna be drilling out some hole in the wall. Get it done. After it, have the sugar, the butter, and the egg, cream. You know what I say? I had to use my blender to help me out because the hand mixer was taking forever. This is what we have so far. Gonna add now the fruits and the rum and the flour and all the spices. All the way from Canada. Smells so good. Look at that. Fruits for days, man. Get some rum. Rinse this out. Here I have my vanilla browning and all of that good stuff. Rinsed out fruits. What eat more fruits you done there? Rinse out it a little bit more. So we have the flour now, all the spices are already in here, the baking powder and all that good stuff. I will just looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking good. Ready for the baking. Done. Oh. Ready for the baking? Let's go. Shoot. Kitchen clean up, everything wash. Dry my hand towel. Cake in the oven. I go on with the road. So ready, you see it. So take out the two smaller ones, test them out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright then, I have here my rum mix. Give it a spray. Get that rum infused in there. And we're gonna do this every day for the next 2 to 3 days or until ready for serve. I realize how the color changes drastically. You want to do this while it's hot so it absorbs the alcohol. This is white rum and some red label wine. I'll put it in a spray bottle. March time way. If you want the recipe, check out the link in the description. Alright, so we're out here. Ella. How do you feel it? Ella. Wagwan. Wagwan.
Ella short teeth like these.
Alright, now Ella there. Mommy there, but mommy, what you have to say? Very close to the church, so. Nice style?
Nice style.
Alright, show them fruitcake.
I was here with fruitcake today. I want to feed in a piece, so that's how we make sure we can remove for enjoy.
These are the points. See Ella tap your phone, so yeah. Fruitcake them up, me show them. Well, I not cool it, I'll stay there for a couple of days.
Okay.
Tomorrow I eat them and they soak properly, so fruitcake them out, you know? Just bake. Yeah. Alright, so I make it go on.
Yeah man,
Easy
Mr.
back
Morris.
and that is it.
Fruitcake. Always sell out.
So if you want the recipe, you can buy my Morris Time Cooking Christmas Recipe ebook. Link in the description. You see? Just a chill day, so nice outside. We can call it a day right now. And just go watch a movie. We do a lot of work from all. Bake my cake them, edit my vlogs, and a bag of things. The moment there's do right thing. Head up and crown and stuff. So yeah. I go like that for no more go hold a haircut. Come on
See
up.
if travel upon the ground and go and big up on yourself.
Just like that. Oh, see, man. Moment on vlog. So yeah, like that. Pick up.